Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your projects, notes, and documents? Do you find yourself spending precious time searching for that one important piece of information buried in a sea of chaos? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to show you how to declutter your digital life and regain control of your productivity. First, let's talk about projects. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone with a lot on their plate, keeping your projects organized is crucial. Start by creating a clear and concise project structure. Break it down into smaller tasks and assign deadlines. This will not only help you stay focused, but also give you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Next, let's tackle notes. We all know the struggle of trying to find that one important note we took months ago. The key here is to establish a note-taking system that works for you. Whether it's using a digital note-taking app or a good old-fashioned notebook, make sure to categorize your notes and tag them with relevant keywords. This will make searching for specific information a breeze. Now let's move on to documents. We've all been guilty of having a cluttered desktop filled with random files. It's time to take control. Start by organizing your files into folders based on their purpose or topic. Use clear and descriptive file names to make it easier to find what you need. And don't forget to regularly declutter by deleting or archiving files that are no longer relevant. But decluttering is not just about organizing, it's also about letting go of things that no longer serve you. Take a moment to evaluate your project's notes and documents. Are there any that you can let go of? Are there any that are no longer aligned with your goals? By decluttering, you'll create space for new ideas and opportunities to come into your life. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to decluttering your projects, notes, and documents. Remember, it's not just about being organized, it's about creating a system that works for you and helps you stay focused and productive. So go ahead, declutter your digital life and watch your productivity soar.